What's up everybody, Nick Brengle here, and today we're talking about the black mist filter from H&Y. It's the RevoRing technology. It's brand new, and we're gonna get into it right now. So full transparency right off the bat, H&Y did ship this out to me for free in return that I would use the product, make a video about it. But that was it. They didn't, try to sway me one way or another. But they didn't have to. The RevoRing, this is the first time I've used this type of filter, and I'm really enjoying it because it's easy to throw on and just go and shoot. And it'll fit on any lens, any thread size. There's two different options, a 67 to 82 and a 46 to 62, something like that. And so this thing literally has teeth, and it just attaches to your thread, and you just get up and go from there. But with ND filters, it can get a little bit tricky. How I've been using it is with my Nizzy 3-stop ND filter, and it's really thin and really small. And as you see, it just goes on there super easy. You can pretty much figure this out on your own. But what's a very interesting finding was that the cap for this, which is really nice that you can have a cap and you can leave this on your camera and you don't have to kind of worry about the lens cap. This acts as that, obviously, but it's very, very strong. And you'll find that out on your own, but let me just show you how strong it really is. Okay, so I want to show you a few examples of with this black mist on, with it off. And so we'll do that right here as we're talking. I'll just get up and I'll just take this thing off. Okay, so I have the filter in my hand. It's not on there, as you can see. There's that cool, and I have my monitor over here. So if and that magnet, you saw it before, but look at this. It's very loud. We might have clipped the sound there. I don't really know. But yeah, so this is with it off. I have the lights behind me. And so you can get kind of an idea of the mist, black mist, the effect of, reducing contrast and shadows, and just, you can be your own judge of what you think this is compared to some of the other brands, because there's so many of these now, but there's not one that does this. So that's pretty unique. I've been using it for about a month now. Haven't had any issues. Super easy to clean. Again, having that big lens cap, even though it's super strong and hard to take off, it's really nice because I've been kind of just leaving it on. So that pretty much does it. Thank you H&Y again for sending this out, because I'm definitely going to be using it much more. And now I've had some different experiences with different types of mist filters, and that they all kind of have their unique feel and look and the way they react to light, and just whatever scenario you're shooting in. So if this is your first time stopping by the channel, please consider subscribing, drop a comment down below, hit the like button. Other than that, go create something, go enjoy life, and yeah, take care of one another, and we'll see you in the next one.